Hey there mga my loves collective. Thank you so much for always staying here in this channel like from the bottom of my heart. Saranghayo, love and light. So, pick a set tayo ngayon mga my loves, no. Kumbaga, no, our content no for today is we take a look at no yung view ng person on your mind ninyo ngayon. So, yan, how does this person views you or might be mga qualities na nagustuhan niya sa'yo or pwede rin naman na things na gusto niyang parating sa inyo, no? All of those, no, we'll see, no, what we've got here. No, pero before that, you know the drill, no? Piliin ninyo yung set kung saan mas tinatawag yung atensyon ninyo. Okay? So, you may pause this video, no, after lighting a candle for you guys, no? At mag-focus kayo which set yung tinatawag kayo, no? So, think about your person right now, no, while focusing, okay? Para mas makakuha tayo dito, no, ng insights, no, or whatsoever mga views or how this person looks at you. Right? No, so let me light a candle first. No, this is set A and this is set B. You may pause this video now and focus on which set is calling your attention. Alright, at dahil nakapili ka na, simulan na natin sa set A. So, itabi na muna natin yung set B detail. So, set A, tingnan natin kung anong meron dito for you guys, no? So, we have here the lamb. Alright, no? So, what we're getting right here, no? This person views you, no? Some kind of, pwede rin naman na innocent, no? Pwede rin naman na you're embodying this kind of childlike qualities, no? Which is, pwedeng playful ka or you do not take problems seriously, no? Pwede rin naman na mag-age kayo na parang nakikita ka niya as somewhat sweet, yan, no? Somewhat, alam mo yun, yung parang this person views you, no, na nag-i-embodies ka ng light energy in you, no? So, this person finds you, actually, we're hearing the word cute, no? So, this person finds you cute, yan, no? Lalo na kapag ka parang nagbibibitok ka or parang meron kang ginagawa something na parang kang, alam mo yun, just like a child, yung mga galawan ng child, no? Parang pag nagtuthrow ka ng tantrums, this person finds you cute. Di ba yung iba nabibwisit tapos gusto mong tuktukan, pero this person, no, kapag ka nakikita niya nagtatantrums ka, no, kahit hindi siya yung kausap mo, kahit yung ibang tao yung kausap mo, no, and then parang let's just say example, no, nag-baby talk ka, no, nabwisit ka pero dinaan mo sa baby talk, di ba? This person finds you cute. No, and aside from that, no, this person admires you, no, na magaling yung hands mo when it comes to drawing, sketching, baka marunong ka mag-painting or mahilig ka sa mga crafts, no, yung mga ganyan, yung mga bumubuo ka ng mga things, no, creative ka in a way, not necessarily na magaling yung hands mo, but could be creative ka in a way, no, in all the things that you do. Okay, at meron ka ring klase ng energy wherein mga babes, no, may pagka-sweet ka, no, and at the same time, clingy. Yan, no? So, this person likes you na, alam mo yun, yung parang kunwari, tara kain tayo dun sa canteen, no? Instead na sabihin mo lang yun, hahawakan mo yung braso niya or whatsoever, no? Parang kakain ka niya, ganun. Parang may sense of touch ka. Yung parang, uy, ano ba yung iniisip mo? Para kang sira. Yung parang, ano, no, parang tatapikin mo yung mukha niya or whatsoever. Yung nakakita ko ng dimple. Baka yung tinitingnan ninyong person is may pulse, no? So, maybe that's a specific message here for someone. Or merong significant rito, no? Na mark or symbol siya, no? Sa kanyang face that you really like. Let's just say, no? Meron siyang nunal sa kanyang nose and you love that or you find that sexy. Yan, no, nakuha natin yung ganun. So, whatever the case may be, this person is viewing you as somewhat sweet, could be possibly innocent right here, no? And this person finds you cute. Naol. Okay, so, right? And this person also finds you as the turtle. Wow! Turtle, no? Hindi slow. hindi ganun, no? This person is not viewing you as a slow individual, no? The turtle here, mga babes, no? This person views you as you are a supporter. And you had that kind of parang hindi ka aalis, no, sa isang sitwasyon, no, at mang-iiwan para lang iligtas or isalba ang sarili mo. Okay? So, alam mo, mga babes, no, this person views you, no, na parang, kunwari, out of all the people in the world, nakikitaan ka niya rito ng somewhat na parang ikaw yung klase ng tao na maaasahan niya. Ganun. No? Because turtle here, no, is like the Four of Wands energy. No? Meron kang kakayahan na mag-build ng isang happy home, happy life, happy family. So this person, no, simply views you as you has this kind of potential, yan, no, to be a good wife, no, or a good husband for him or her in the future. So, ibig sabihin, mga babes, no, Four of Wands energy, this person, gusto kanyang ibahay. I mean, gusto kanyang pakasalan, no? Nakikita kanya bilang kanyang Snow White, nakikita kanya bilang Cinderella, Disney princesses, Prince Charming. Yan, no, this person sees happily ever after without ending sa'yo. Yan, no, so yun yung turtle, no, isa kang pundasyon na worth it na pag-investan ng emosyon kasi ikaw yung klase ng tao na pang true, thick, and thin. Yun, no, sa out of all the challenges na haharapin niya, alam niya na ikaw yung klase ng taong hindi bibigay. Yeah, you might look innocent on the outside, you might look fragile on the outside, pero nakikita ka niya bilang matibay ka inside. Yan, no, so ang lupit nun, mga babes, no, isa kayong turtle. Yan, no, and aside from that, this person views you as black egg. Alright, no, this person views you as black egg, mga babes, no, wherein this person sees you na meron kang pantay na judgment sa lahat. You are a fair and square person, no, na para sa'yo, mga babes, no, hindi kayong maniniwala lang sa chismis, no, dahil lang sinabi ng iba, no, kunwari, chinichismis sa'yo yung ano, uy, alam mo ba, Mari? Yung tinitinda dun sa kabilang tindahan. Oo, di ba yung tinitinda dun, no? Alam mo, marami talaga dun na parang expired na tinitinda pa. Yan, no? Hindi ikaw yung klase ng tao na parang, oh, talaga? Ano ba yan? Hindi na nga ako bibili dun. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na bago ka maniwala sa mga sabi-sabi, usap-usapan, at lalo na yung mga chismis, no, inaalam mo muna yung isa pang side of story. So, hindi ka nakikita nitong tao na to na isa kang bias. Yan, no, hindi ko alam kung bakit nakita ko ang BTS. Baka meron ditong mahilig sa BTS at kung sino yun, si Jimin. Baka may crush dito kay Jimin, yan, no, or whatsoever, no. So, whoever this individual is, no, this person views you, no, na meron kang pantay na pagtingin sa lahat, no, at ikaw yung klase ng tao na, alam mo yon, no, bago ka manghusga ng iba, sinisigurado mo munang totoo yun, no, bago mo siya husgahan or bago ka magsalita or magbigay ng opinion or feedback, no, ikaw tong klase ng tao na hinaalam mo muna lahat, bawat anggulo, no, bawat sulok, bawat corner, harap, likod, gilid, no? Proof and evidences are really important for you before making a decision or before making a judgment. And most especially, this person sees na parang pag nandyan ka, bumabalanse ang lahat para sa kanya, sa buhay niya, no? Alam mo, I'm getting this kind of vibe, no, na kapag problemado siya, pero whenever you're around, it looks like na parang everything is gonna be okay, everything will be alright just because you're there, no? So, alam mo yun, mga babes, no, with just your presence right here, this person feels really balanced, no? Kahit meron siyang kinakaharap na problema, or kahit na bad trip siya dun sa day niya, or this person is having that kind of negative mood in a day, pag nakita ka niya, feels like it's intoxicating just because you're around him or her, no? This person sees you as the black egg, no? You could be seeing as well number 333, angel numbers 333, where in balance it is, right? No? And this person also views you as the wow, promise is here, no? Responsible, confirmation, and resurface, no? Resurface ba to? Assurance. Hindi marunong magbasa. At tingin ko this resurface. Alright, no? So, whoever this person is, sabi ko nga sa inyo, no, this person feels like, no, na ikaw na yung hangganan niya. Okay? This person sees you na ikaw dito, mga babes, no, yung parang nakikitaan niya, no, as the turtle, no, na may potential, no, to stand the storm kasama siya. No, yung hindi ka lang niya makakasama through happiness, pero makakasama ka rin niya through dark nights of his or her life, no? This person is, kumbaga, no, sa lahat ng mga tao sa mundo, ikaw yung nakikita niyang matibay at mananatili sa tabi niya anuman ang mangyari. Kaya itong tao na to, no, kung meron man siyang isang paglalaanan dito ng pangako ng panghabang buhay na makakasama, marriage it is, no, ikaw yun, babatuhan niya ng promise, no, na panghabang buhay. So nakikita ka nitong tao na to na isa kang responsableng tao na may paninindigan, no, na kapag ikaw ay nagsalita, iyon ay iyong gagawin, no. Parang pag binigay mo sa kanya yung matamis mong oo, no, wala tayong gender dito, no. Parang kapag kasumang-ayon ka, no, nasamahan siya na panghabang buhay, siya na yung pinakamasayang tao sa balat ng earth lalo. That kind of thing, no? See, we have here the number 28, and when you add it up, 2 plus 8 is 10. This person sees you as ikaw na yung kanyang endpoint, at ikaw na, no, kumbaga, the search is over. This person had already found you. Yeah, no? This person had already found someone like you, right? No, and aside from that, we also have here the natural disaster. Exactly, this is what we're talking about, no? This person sees you or views you, no, mga babes, na ikaw yung klase ng taong hindi natatakot, no, naharapin ang anumang pagsubok, kasi nga nakikita ka niya as someone who is strong, someone who is reliable, someone who do not backs out, no, never, no, sa inyong mind. You may be embodying a very somewhat innocent vibe of a child, not childish but childlike energy, no, and this is you, no, na kahit na dumaan pa sa maraming pagsubok at bagyo, pwedeng nakita niya rin, mga babes, no, kung paano mo hinarap ang mga pagsubok mo sa buhay, kaya rin niya nasabi na matibay ka at ikaw yung nararapat na tumabi sa kanya, no, sa kanyang life's journey, no. This person sees you as a strong, independent woman or guy right here, no, na hindi natatakot mag-take a leap of faith into the unknown, mag-took ng risk, no, at hindi ka na frustrate, no, and you always survive. This person views you as the number 38. 3 plus 8 is 11, and 11 is like a pathway no, that you're on the right path. You know, no, na siya na talaga at sigurado ka na siya yung gusto mong makasama habang buhay. Ganun kanya nakikita. Sigurado na siya na ikaw yung gusto niyang makasama habang buhay. Na worth it yung daan na to. Basta ikaw yung nag-aabang sa kabilang dulo. Oh. Huminga na malalim. Alright, no? And let's see more. We also have here the unexpected connection. Opposites attract. Alright, no? So, this person might be viewing you, no? Na parang isa ka ritong lightning, no? Na bigla na lang dumating sa buhay niya, no? At maaaring nung umpisa, hindi niya na aiintindihan ang inyong connection, no? Kasi maaaring alam mo yun, no, dumaan siya ron sa isang parte na, teka lang, marami kaming pagkakaiba nitong tao na to, pero bakit ganun? Bakit gusto ko siya? Bakit sobrang attracted ako sa kanya? Ayaw niya ng sports, pero bakit ganito? Ayaw niya ng ganito, pero bakit gusto ko pa rin siya? Yan, no? Maybe this person somehow views you na opposite kayong dalawa, no? In many things, no? Na parang kunwari, gusto mo ng ice cream na lemon flavor. Or spicy flavor, no? Pero siya ayaw niya ng ice cream. Yan, no? So, may mga bagay na alam nyo yun, no? Na alam nyo hindi kayo nagkakasundo, no? May mga bagay na feeling mo hindi kayo compatible, no? Pero this person feels like, no, na mahal ka pa rin niya, tanggap ka pa rin niya, na ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin niya kahit na marami kayong pagkakaiba, at tanggap niya yun, no? Tanggap niya yun at handa siyang mag-adjust patungkol doon. This person views you, no, na hindi ang mga differences ninyo ang hadlang, no, sa pag-ibig na meron siya para sa'yo. Maaring sa umpisa, naguluhan siya, no, bakit ko ba nagustuhan tong tao na to? Marami kaming pagkakaiba at marami kaming mga bagay na hindi mapagkasunduan paminsan-minsan, pero bakit ganun? Parang hinihila pa rin ako papunta sa kanya. Exactly, mga babes, no? This person right here, no, now clearly understands, no, the connection of you two guys, no. This person believes that destiny, no, has something to do with this kind of connection. Naniniwala siya, no, na hindi niya sinasantabi yung nararamdaman niya, na baka meron pang more reason kung bakit kanya gusto, no, at maaaring ito ay dahil naniniwala rin siya sa fate or tadhana, just like you. Diba? Ngari, ikaw, gusto mo ng Teletubbies. Teletubbies. Gen Z, alam niyo ba yon? Yan, no? Tapos yung gusto niya, no, Ultraman, yung mga ganyan. No? So, yeah. No? Meron kayong mga differences, no? Pero nakikita ko na this person, no, is willing to work things out with you because this person clearly now understands that he or she really loves you. No, meron talaga siyang pagtingin dito, no, and let's see, no, what else. Think before you act. Yan, no, mga babes, no, this person right here views you, no, na ikaw ay nag-iisip, no, bago ikaw ay umaksyon. Exactly, no, because you are this person admires you, no, na hindi ka padalos-dalos sa isang sitwasyon, no? So, bago ka, ginagamit mo dito yung logical mind mo, no? And this person finds you really attractive. Mas lalo kang attractive, no? Kapag ka nagdedesisyon ka rito ng tama, no? Kasi ikaw to, na tinitingnan mo muna yung mga posibleng maging resulta or outcome, no? Kung sakaling gagawin mo yung mga pinaplano mong maging solusyon sa mga bagay na pagdedesisyonan mo, no? And this person loves that about you, no? Kaya nga nagkakaroon siya rito ng tiwala sa'yo, no, na masusolusyonan mo ang anumang problema na paparating sa'yo because ganyan ka mag-isip, no. You think before you act. Exactly. And we also have here the I think we should slow down, no. This person admires you, no, na hindi ka nagmamadali, no? Pwede kasing wala pa kayong relationship nitong person na to, no? And you're being blunt or you're being cleared or being honest about this person right here that you want to take things slow for you to know more about each other, no? Not just the background, no? But to know more your feelings and to understand more your feelings with each other, no? You might be telling this person na we shouldn't get into relationship agad-agad, no? Let's get to know more about each other, no? For us to see, no? Kung ano talaga yung mga pagkakaiba natin or ano yung mga pagkakapareho natin, and from there, no? Maa-assess natin kung ito bang connection na to, no? Is worth na maging deeper or not, no? So maybe this person right here, no, is admiring you, no, na hindi ka yung klase ng tao na flirty lang, hindi ikaw yung klase ng tao na pang casual lang, no, kundi ikaw yung klase ng tao na you want to know more the person and you want also to understand your feelings towards dun sa person na yun, no? So this person loves na hindi kayong klase ng tao na, alam mo yon, no, pang short time lang. Actually, this person views you na pang long term ka. Right? No? So, also we have here the love me. Yan. This person, mga babes, no, is viewing you na ikaw yung klase ng tao that can provide, no, yung love, na genuine love, yung totoong love, yung true love, no? TL siya kasi sa'yo, no? Kaya niya to nasasabi, no? And this person is wishing na sana mahalin mo siya. Okay? So, yung iba, mga babes, pwedeng nangyari na to or nangyayari na to, no? Pwede kasing sinagot na rin siya ng iba or whatsoever, no? Pero kasi, this person loves you. And this person also wishes na mahalin mo rin siya pabalik, no? Kasi kaya mo daw makapag-provide ng love na hindi patapon, kundi yung love na mag-stay. Wow, no? So, I love it, I love it, I love it. And also, we have here the I want to start a family with you. Yeah, this is what we're talking about, no? This person wants to start a family with you, no? Because this person, see, we have here number 10. Isn't it 2 plus 8 is 10? Sabi ko sa inyo, no? Nakikita niyo na talaga kayo na ikaw na ang huling taong mamahalin niya, no? Kasi when we say, no, endings, no, hindi ka niya gustong maging friend kasi gusto ka niya maging lover or partner. Hindi ka niya gustong maging boyfriend or girlfriend because this person wants you to be his or her husband and wife, no? And it's not just a fairy tale love story, no, that when Snow White got married with Prince Charming, tapos na yung story. It's not that, no? This is somewhat forever, no? And we can take that happily ever after, no, na unending. This person wants you clearly, no? Kaya nga with the turtle right there, no, sigurado siya, no, sa nararamdaman niya sa'yo rito, naniniwala siya, no, na meron talagang something sa connection ninyo at hindi niya yun palalampasin na chance niya yun. And last but not the least, we have here the you already know. Yeah, no? Maybe this person already, alam nyo na, no, nararamdaman niya for you guys, no? At parang yung iba, iniintay na lang niya yung sagot ninyo or yung reply ninyo, no, patungkol dito, no, sa bagay na pag-express niya ng feelings and emotions sa inyo. Pwede naman na hindi niya pa pinagtatapat sa inyo yung damdamin niya, pero somehow it gets obvious and obvious, no, more obvious, no, as days pass by, no. This person is, you know, no, pwedeng not necessarily na sinasabi niya na yun sa'yo, but then again, no, this person feels like ramdam mo na. Okay? And maybe this person right here na parang, alam mo naman yan, or kung connected na siya sa'yo, or alam mo, no? Alam mo naman yan na mahal kita. Alam mo raw na mahal ka niya. And you feel that, no? I think you're feeling this person's love for you. That's what we're getting right here. So whatever the case may be, I can see that this person right here clearly loves you and views you as his or her one, or one and only. Alright, no? So, Pwede na kayong huminga sa set A, no? So, yan, no? So, ayos, no? This person feels like, no, na ikaw ay pang forever right here, alright? No? So, let's keep it there, no? Tago niyo yung kilig niyo muna. Alright, no? So, let's proceed now with set B. Tamang ligpit, guys. Alright, oops. Taray. Taray yarn. Ganda ng message. Set A. Alright, so set B. Let's see mga babes, no, kung paano kayo binoview ng inyong person right here. So, we have here the octopus, no? This person views you, mga babes, no? Na kayo yung klase ng tao na marami kayong dreams in life, no? Pero you are that kind of person na hindi lang yun mananatiling dreams, kundi ginagawa ninyo ang lahat or buong makakaya ninyo para maabot ninyo ang anumang pangarap ninyo sa buhay, no? Isa kayong mapagmahal na tao rito, no? And at the same time, no, kayang-kaya ninyong pagsabayin ang trabaho para lang mapabilis, no? Maybe this is you na multitasker kayo, or this is you aiming for more, no? Para mas ma-achieve mo, no, ng mabilis yung mga wishes mo sa buhay, no? So, this person, nakikita niya na matataas yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, no? Pero at the same time, hindi mo yun hinahayaang manatili lamang na mga pangarap, kundi yun ay iyong inaaksyonan, no? Example, no? Meron ka ng work, no, at magaling ka rin mag-ipon. Pero dahil you want more, no, para mas mapabilis rito, no, kunwari, you want to purchase a house because that is one of your dreams, no, pero kulang pa yung money mo, pero meron kang naipon. So, you're thinking of other ways, no, how to improve your ipon. Pwedeng gawin mo yun na business, no, para ito ay mas lumago at para mas mapabilis rito yung bili mo, no, ng bahay, ng house and lot, no, yan. This is you, no, na ikaw yung klase ng tao na gumagawa ng paraan, no, para maabot mo dito yung mga bagay na gusto mo sa buhay, no. Achiever ka, ganun ka niya nakikita, no. This person loves you, excuse me, because kaya mong mag-stand sa sarili mo, no, na parang hindi mo kailangan ng ibang tao just to get those dreams for you, because ikaw mismo kaya mong maabot yung mga pangarap mo ng ikaw sa sarili mo ang maghihirap na abutin yun. Yan, no, kaya nga dahil doon, this person's wish, no, na ikaw na yung wish fulfillment niya na dumating sa buhay niya, no. So, kung sino tong tao na to, this is the person you're thinking right now. Alright, no. Wow, no? So this person views you as the octopus, and this person also views you as the cheetah right here, no? So this person sees you, no, na ikaw ay someone na embodying a very glowing energy wherein you have this kind of positive mindset. No matter what problems ang iyong kaharapin, nananatili kang positibo. Yes, pinapanatili mo yung mindset mo na positibo even though it's somehow challenging, no. This person views you, no, na ikaw ay kakaiba. Kasi yung iba na mo problema agad, no, may problema na nga, pinoproblema pa, di mas lalong lalala yun. Pero ikaw, instead na mag-focus ka dun sa problema, nagpo-focus ka dun sa solusyon. Okay? Kahit na ano pa yun, no, mga babes, no, maliit na problema, malaking problema, problema pa rin yun. No? So, whatever the case may be, hindi mo yun tinitingnan as tatambayan, kundi dadaanan mo lang. No? At yun yung isa sa mga bagay na gusto nitong tao sa'yo. Plus, ikaw ay, masayahing tao. No? Ikaw yung klase ng tao, mga babes, no, na masayahin ka, you're embodying this sense of humor, yan, baka nag-jokes kayo, no, and you are sometimes funny, no, sometimes yung mga jokes niyo hindi nakakatawa, pero yung reaction ninyo kapag nagbabato kayo ng jokes is natatawa yung iba. Pati siya, no, so whoever this individual is, this person on your mind thinks or views you, no, na ikaw ay kakaiba, actually, no? Alam niya, kapag meron kang pinagdadaan ng problema, alam niya, no, kung mabigat yun or hindi, no, pero nakikita ka niya na hindi mo yun binibitbit, no? You're taking it lightly because, what? Alam mo sa sarili mo na kapag inisip mo lang ng bongga yung problema na yun, na wala ring mangyayari sa buhay mo. Kaya, dun ka mas nagpo-focus dun, no, sa pagpapanatili sa sarili mo on the positive side, no? Para mas ma-attract mo yung mga positive solutions sa yung problems, no? Alam mo yun, nakakahawa dito yung pagiging light-hearted energy mo, no? Yung parang you're shedding light with other people, yun ang nakikita natin dito. So, whatever the case may be, you're embodying this kind of energy, no? Na parang, I think, no, yung ano ka lang, yung presence mo, iba na yung dating sa ibang tao, hindi lang sa kanya. No, parang meron kang parang power, no, to turn a moody person feels really light. No, kunwari, kapag ka sobrang down yung isang tao, you have this kind of aura, or kapag ka nagsalita ka, no, mababago mo rito yung mood niya, no, matiturn mo to, no, into a light energy, no, just because you're around, no, yung parang, tsaka ikaw yung klase ng tao na pag, yung kunwari, natatawa ka ng hahampas ka, yung mga yung mga ganun, no? So, whatever the case may be, no? Parang kahit na bad trip yung mga kaibigan mo or yung people around you kasi they're having a bad day. Pero kapag ka nagkwento ka na yung parang kala mo, wala nang katapusan or wala nang other day, no? Parang ikaw wala rin problema, no? Kung makatawa ka, nakita na yung tonsillitis. Yung tonsils mo, yung ganun. So, whatever the case may be, you are a happy person. This person sees you as the sun. This person sees you, no, na para ka ritong glowing, no? Yung parang, kapag nakikita ka niya mga babes, alam niyo yun sa comics, no? Diba yung parang nagliliwanag yung paligid, no? Kahit sobrang dami ng tao, no? Ikaw yung nakikita niya, ikaw yung napapansin niya. Love it. And aside from that, this person views you as the sea serpent. Alright, no? So, this person views you, no, as a very attractive person, no? Yung iba views you, no, na sexy ka, no, sa yung appearance, no, that you have this kind of charisma, no? Malakas yung charisma mo, malakas yung appeal mo, pwedeng literal na ikaw ay beautiful and handsome, embodying, no, a superb physical appearance, no. You could be a model right here because I can see physical features ng face na parang, sasali ba kayo ng Miss Universe? Ang ganda ng jawline. So, whatever the case may be, no, this person, sa paningin niya, ikaw ang pinakamaganda at napaka-attractive mo, no? At ikaw, mga babes, no, parang meron ka nang na-advise sa kanya na nung in-advisean mo siya, no, sobrang gumaan yung pakiramdam niya, no? At sobrang na-enlighten dito yung mind niya, no? So, maaaring kapag ka ikaw ay nagsasalita, no, at nagbibigay ng payo sa iba, no, para ka ritong nag-glow. Ganun ka niya nakikita, no? At isa pa, no, mga babes, no, masaya siya rito kasi ikaw yung klase ng tao na could be maraming responsibilities, no, which is, alam mo kasi, no, ang isang sea serpent, mga babes, no, napaka-responsable nito. Okay, ikaw yung hindi mo pababayaan yung pamilya mo, hindi nila kailangan manghingi sa iyo kasi magpo-provide ka ng kusa, no? You are an entrepreneur, masipag ka sa trabaho, you are fiery, you are passionate in what you do, no? Hindi lang dahil nagpo-provide yun ng money sa iyo, kundi talagang kapag ka nag-work ka at mas lalo na, no, na mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, parang wala na makapipigil sa iyo. I can see right here, no, that you're growing. Yan, know your finances, no, because you want stability, not just for yourself, but also for your family or for your genuine community, because you want to provide, no, what you think no, na makatutulong sa kanila, no. You're embodying this kind of helping hand with other people right here, no, and I can see clearly na out of all the people, ikaw yung mas nakakaintindi sa pinagdadaanan nila. Maybe other people, natutuwa sila sa'yo kasi kapag ka nagbigay ka ng advice, sobrang tinatamaan sila, no? Sobrang na-enlighten mo yung path nila, no, because you have this kind of, parang I think, parang kapag ka nagsasalita ka, you have this kind of tendency to heal other people, no? I'm not telling that you're a healer, pero kasi sa nakikita ko rito, no, you're embodying this type of energy, no, that when a person is somewhat problematic, and then you start speaking, no, it looks like, no, na yeah, pwedeng kung family member mo tong in-advisean mo, no, kilala mo siya, no, and you give advices to that person, to that family member, no, based on what or kung paano mo siya kilala, no. You clearly see this person's not just descriptions, no, na adjectives, no, whatsoever, no, pero kasi you see clearly, no, deep within this person's soul, no, at from there, dun ka humuhugot ng advice. Kaya, kapag ka ginagawa na nila yung advice na binigay mo, sobrang nakakatulong talaga sa kanila, no. It's like, you have this kind of gift in you, no, na parang you were hearing the Midas touch, no, where in everyone, di ba sa Midas touch, no, kapag hinahawakan niya, turned into gold, pero ikaw, everyone you touches, no, lalo na yung hearts nila, no, it turns into something, no, na parang you have this kind of tendency to heal other people because whatever it is that comes out from your lips or from your mouth is something meaningful and you really mean it because whatever advices you give to others, no, and especially to this person na advisean mo na to, no, creates that kind of parang, alam mo, nakakita tayo ng parang parang, alam mo yung, mini chest, tapos pag binuksan mo, lumbas yung mga butterflies, no? It's like, this message gives me, no, na parang, I don't know if you're aware about that, no? Pero kasi kapag ka nagsalita ka, no, it's some kind of a magical thing for other people, no? It's a gift you give to them, no? Parang para sa'yo, in-advise lang naman kita, pero para sa kanya, binigyan mo siya ng kaliwanagan ng kanyang isipan at pinalaya mo siya sa sitwasyon. Diba? So, you are a very attractive person, no? And this person is also aware, no, that you are being admired, no, with other people, no? Other people also likes you, no? Pwedeng admirers, literal, no? Pero alam nitong tao na to, no, that maraming tao rin, no, yung natutuwa sa ugali mo. Yan, no, and aside from that, we also have here the strategy, no. This person sees you, mga babes, no, na hindi lang ikaw to na sige-sige lang sa pagdedesisyon, na sige-sige lang sa mga sitwasyon, no, kundi meron ka talagang pagpaplano, no, at may strategy ka, 'di ba? Just like in a chess, no, hindi ka pwedeng basta lang no, dumampot diyan at ililipat mo ng pwesto ganun lang, no. So hindi, kailangan mo pag-isipan, no, at kailangan mo maging strategic about this, no. So this person likes you, no, na magaling kayong magplano sa buhay ninyo. Alam niyo yun, no, yung parang you're planning your life right here, no, na maging ito ay better, no, at hindi lang kayo nagiging makasarili, no, na buhay nyo lang yung aayusin ninyo, kundi kasama or katangay-tangay ninyo yung pamilya ninyo, no. Kung successful man yan, no, kasama sa pagpaplano rin, no. Kumbaga, you're not that kind of energy, no, na ginagawa mo yung lahat ng makakaya mo para lang sa sarili mo, kundi para rin sa pamilya mo at sa mga loved ones mo, no. So your plans, no, alam mo, nakuha ko dito na parang mas dapat mag-benefit yung other people or yung family mo, no, sa mga plano mo sa buhay mo, no. Kasi I can see right here na parang ganun ka, no, dahil mahal mo yung yung pamilya mo, no, so much kaysa sa sarili mo. That's what we're getting right here, no. At saka, this person admires you na magaling kang magbasa ng isipan, no, or mabilis kang makaramdam kung ang isang tao ay merong masamang hangarin, no, sa iyo or whatsoever, no. Maybe this is you, no, na ikaw ay intuitive, not necessarily an energy reader, because I do believe that everybody has this kind of intuition, no, pero not all of people is using their intuition, no. So dapat yun ang pairalin, because when you use your intuition, oftentimes it's like, hindi ka mamamali doon. Okay, so kung matagal na kayo rito sa channel na to, no, I keep on telling you guys, no, that when you're listening into your intuition, it can never be wrong. So, sa nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, this person admires you, no, na kapag ka tumingin kayo sa isang tao, no, you have this kind of first impression and it lasts talaga. So, I'm kind of picking up right here, no, na parang dahil doon, hindi kayo mabilis maloko, hindi kayo mabilis magancho, no, kasi sobrang ginagamit ninyo yung intuition mo sa lahat ng areas ng life mo, especially sa pagdidesisyon. So, you're having this kind of strategic mind, no, na pinapairal mo together with your intuition. Alright, no, and aside from that, mga babes, no, this person loves about you that memory is right here, no. This person loves you na may pagka-sentimental ka, yan, no, at may pagka-sensitive ka in a way na parang kunwari, let's just say, no, yung movie ticket ninyong dalawa, no, kung connected na kayo already with this person in a heart space level, pero yung iba basta, that the person that you're thinking right now, no, while listening to me, no, so this gives me this kind of message na this person loves you, na tinatabi mo yung movie tickets na ginamit ninyo, or ikaw to na kahit na hindi na uso yung film ngayon, pero pinapadevelop mo pa rin, no, yung pictures ng family mo, no, nung outing kayo last 2 years ago or whatsoever, no, this person loves you being sentimental into things, no, and you really treasured all of those, no, kasi pinapa-pray mo yun, pinapa-develop mo yun, and then kapag ka nabanggit yun, no, naaalala mo clearly, oo, galing kami doon, grabe, May 25, oo, galing kami doon, sobrang saya doon, promise, tapos, ganito, nagkikwento ka, no, ng mga naaalala mo about that memory, no, at matibay yung memory mo rito, no, sobrang naaalala mo yun, no? Siguro, naaalala mo rito, no, yung mga anniversary dates ninyo, no, lahat yun, yung mga ginawa ninyo or whatsoever. Pero, alam mo yun, hindi lang yun, no? Sa lahat ng mga memories, tinitreasure mo yun. At lahat ng mga gamit na meron ka dyan, tinatabi mo yun, no? Yung love letters sa'yo, ng mga nagka-crush sa'yo noon, nasa sa'yo pa. Yung tuyot na dahon, no, na unang nakuha mo doon sa unang bansa na pinag-travelan mo, no, dala-dala mo, durug-durug na, pero andyan pa rin, no, this is you, no, na mahilig ka doon sa mga magtabi na mga memories, no, at mag-keep, pwedeng sa scrapbook, no, or pwedeng sa journal mo, or pwedeng meron kang pinagtataguan na storage, no, kung saan kinikip mo yon, really, really close to your heart, no. Gusto niya yan mga babes, no, kasi alam mo yon, no, natutuwa siya na tinitreasure mo lahat ng moment sa buhay mo. Excuse me. Alright, no. So aside from that, mga babes, no, we have here the healing connection. Yan, no? So your romance will transform your life. You know what I'm getting right here, no? Maybe this person came out from a toxic or somewhat pwede na nating i-describe as traumatic experiences niya in the past. Pero whoever this individual here is, I'm kind of picking up that this person is somewhat, no, nung nakilala ka niya, sobrang natulungan mo siya rito na maghilom, no. Sabi ko sa inyo, pwedeng nabigyan nyo na rin siya rito ng advice, no, at sobrang tumama yon, no, deep into this person's heart and soul. Tagus-tagusan yun, na parang naliwanagan siya rito, no. This person has this kind of tendency, no, na maaaring hindi siya marunong dito na harapin or gawin yung shadow work na yun, no, because that was a really hurt painful or that was a really painful situation, kaya parang ayaw niya nang balikan yun kahit sa kanyang isipan or balintataw, no? Pero you showed this person, no, that by words right here, no, you give advices right straight from his or her heart, no, na nagtulak sa kanya na hindi niya namalayan na unti-unti na pala siyang gumagaling at unti-unti niya na palang naa-accept yung katotohanan, no, na worth it rin pala na mahalin niya yung sarili niya more than that person who caused chaos in his or her life, no? Unti-unti niyang natanggap yung mga bagay na people are, some people are not meant to stay, no? And unti-unti niyang na-realize ang lahat ng bagay just because of the advice or just because this person, no, nakikita niya at naririnig niya yung advice mo sa ibang tao. And from there, no, natututo siya sa'yo rito. Marami siyang natututunan sa'yo rito. This person finds you, no, na sobrang spiritual mo, and I think you have this kind of faith with God, no, as in faith talaga na may pananalig ka rito, no, sa Diyos Ama, no, na alam mo yun, na lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan ng tao is may hangganan, no, at hindi laging kalungkutan, hindi laging pag-aalala, no, kundi, no, meron ding kasiyahan, no, at kapanatagan ng loob. Alright, no? So this person finds you, no, nung dumating ka sa buhay niya, no, nagsimula na pala siya ditong gumaling at mas natulungan mo siya rito na mag-recover from that pain. Alright, no? So let's see, no? We have here the my life started when I met you. Exactly. No, because this person feels toxicated. No, this person feels so down. This person feels sad bago mo siya nakilala. No, at with the number 2, nagdadalawang isip siya. No, because he or she had been in a traumatic situation, no, in his or her life, no, pwedeng hindi sa love life, pwedeng sa other areas of life, and this person had this kind of tendency, no, to question everything, no, because hindi niya nga ma-endure or hindi niya ma-bear yung pain, pero when you came, it looks like everything turned magically clear sa kanyang mind right here, no. This person, I think you do not know, pero you created that space into this person's heart to trust in love, to trust in connection once again. Right, no? Parang you showed this person the direction na hindi niya makita because sobrang cloudy or sobrang blurred na daanan niya. But when you came into this person's life, nagsimula siya ulit na mabuhay. Diba? So, yun mga babes, no? 15. You make me want to do bad things. Yeah. Alam mo kung anong ibig sabihin nito? No? Sometimes, this person, alam niya na parang sumusobra na rin yung galawan niya, no? Sometimes, nasasaktan ka niya, no? And this person is sorry about that, no? Sometimes, I'm kind of picking up right here that maybe this person is some kind of a jealous person, no? And ayaw niya na parang tumitingin yung iba sa'yo because you're attracting many people right here. And no wonder if there are admirers around you, no, who also want your attention, no? So this person is some kind of a greedier in a way na akin ka kasi, set B. Yeah, no? And I don't want you to talk with other boys or to talk with other girls or tell me stories about other boys' names or other girls' names, no, pagkaharap mo ko. No, this person, pwedeng ini-embodies niya some type of a jealous thing, no, because when you add it up, 1 plus 5 is 6. It's the number of victory, no? So, gusto niya mga my loves, no? Siya lang yung bukang bibig mo. Yan, no? Nagiging greedier siya, no? And sometimes, alam niya yun, no? You make me want to do bad things. So, sometimes, pag may kausap kang boys or other girls, sometimes this person interrupts, no? Kahit hindi naman kailangan, no? Whether you're in relationship with this person or not yet pa, no? So, just take how this resonates. So, this person tends to interrupt, no? Kasi this person feels jealous, no? I'm getting that word jealous so big, no? Parang nakaka-caps lock yun sa isipan ko na whatsoever na it's. Kaya yun na yung ginawa kong example right here, no? So maybe this is the kind of person, no, na mabilis siyang magselos, no? So yun. So pwedeng alam mo yan na parang may kausap ka na guy, no, na nagtanong lang naman sa'yo kung paano gamitin yung Xerox machine kasi maybe newbie siya or galing siya ng ibang department somehow. And then this person, no, nakaramdam siya ng selos dito, no, kasi parang sobrang 1 minute more than na. No, na kinakausap ka no, nung guy na yon, and this person tends to interrupt, no. Set B, tawag ka raw ni boss. May utos ata sa'yo. Ganun ba? Okay, sige. Ayan na, sis, ganun. Tapos pag umalis ka na, pagdating mo doon, no, mga babes, no, hindi ka pala tawag. Ano sinasabi? Matawag ako ni boss. Kala ko ikaw yung tinawag. Pero yung totoo, this person tends to interrupt. Yan, no, yun na tinatawag na pere-peren. Yan, so alam mo na, you're dealing with someone who is jealous. Yan, jealous of the one whose arms are around you. Yeah, exactly. And you are so beautiful. Why do you need me? Exactly. No, you know, maybe this person is embodying that kind of jealousness, no, inside you, pero may insecurities din siya. Why? Because you know, you are so attractive into this person's eyes. No, you are so attractive. No, alam mo yun, sobrang gandang-ganda siya sa'yo. Sobrang gwapong-gwapo siya sa'yo rito, no? You are so handsome, you are so beautiful, no? And sometimes may insecurity siya, no? Na parang, sometimes this person thinks, no, na baka maagaw ka na iba sa kanya, or baka hindi siya magkaroon ng chance sa'yo kapag ka nagtapat siya ng feelings sa'yo, no? This person is somehow, sometimes, no, na bumababa yung confidence niya dito, sometimes, no, low yung self-esteem niya, no, just because, no, sometimes, panghihinaan siya ng loob kasi, ang ganda-ganda mo, tas ako ganito lang, tas ang gwapo-gwapo mo, tas ako ganito lang, yan. Sometimes, this person feels so down, but that I don't think, no, na parang, dapat niyang sabihin yun sa sarili niya, no? Because one thing I think that you like is a person who is confident in carrying his or herself. So if this is your person and you also like this person right here, no, I think you have to tell this person na kinsya na yo, or kinsya na. Yan, no? Parang sabihin mo sa kanya na, okay lang yan, no? Huwag kang mag-alala, no? Kasi kahit anong mangyari, hindi ako mai-in love sa iba, or hindi ako magkakagusto sa iba. Ikaw yung gusto ko at wala kang dapat ipag-alala. Sa paningin ko, ikaw yung gwapo at ikaw ang maganda, no? Kaya kahit kailan, no? Pero hindi ako aalis sa tabi mo. Yan, saranghe. Yan. Diba? So, whatever the case may be, no, medyo somehow, no, nakakaramdam siya rito ng low self-esteem or bumababa yung confidence niya, no, because this person finds you so attractive, 102%. And also, you also have here the be more selfish. Yan, no, sometimes this person, no, views you that you give too much to your family and your loved ones, no, to the point na wala nang natitira sa'yo, no. This person also wants you, no, to also give to yourself, no, na magtira ka naman ng more than enough for, sabi ko nga sa inyo, no, this is you na parang gusto mong unahin yung pamilya mo kasi sa sarili mo, and that's okay, that's alright, no, because at the end of the day, no, it's still you na meron kang free will with your life. Pero kasi nakikita ko dito, sometimes this person, no, nakikita niya siguro na nagtitipid ka kahit may money ka naman and all, no, because you want to give more or you want to provide more, no, with your family or your loved ones, no. This person, naiinis siya kasi sometimes maybe you do not take care of yourself, no. Maybe you eat so fast, no, yung parang binibilisan mo yung kain mo, hello, wala pa ngang 1 hour. Or hindi ka pa nga kumakain, wala pang 30 minutes, no, 1 hour naman yung break, no. But whatever the case may be, no, this person wants you to take care of yourself and to look for your health as well, no. I can see that you are a responsible person, and even though you have so much responsibilities, you want to provide more than enough for them, no. Pero this person wants you to also provide something for yourself. Treat yourself, no. If you want coffee, then go treat yourself out, no? Have some me time, no? Go on a vacation, no? Relax, chill, no? If you want some clothes, no, buy it, no? Give to yourself. This person sees you that you're giving too much to other people than yourself, no? So, gusto niya, no, nag-aalala siya sa'yo rito. So, pwedeng yung iba, no, kung connecting na kayo sa kanya, baka naririnig nyo na rin na, "Uy, ano ka ba? Alagaan mo naman yung sarili mo. Tapusin mo naman yung lunch mo. Yan, mag-enjoy ka naman. Sige na, bilhin mo na yan. Sige na, no? Isang beses lang, sige, bilhin mo na yan. No? Tapos, next time ka na ulit, no? If you feel that, no? Kasi nakikita niya, no, na you're doing this hard work or hardships right here, no? For your family, no, for yourself, no, and then sometimes you have this kind of tendency na nakakalimutan mo na or nane-neglect mo na yung sarili mo right here, no, so ayaw niya nun, no, and yeah, yan, no, I'm a very jealous person. Yeah, caps lock talaga. Yan, no? Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, seloso siya ng mga babes, no? So, this person is really confirmed na, no, na seloso siya. A very jealous person. So, whoever this individual is, this person wants only you, no? Or wants only him na bigyan mo ng atensyon, no? Etong tao na to, no, medyo may pagkaseloso or selosa siya, no? Or ayaw niya lang na parang nagbabanggit ka ng ibang tao, no, lalo na kapag ka same gender niya, no, tapos parang binibuild up mo pa yon, so nagsiselo siya ron, no, yung parang hindi naman madalas, pero kasi sometimes, no, hindi ko naman kayo nakikitang nabibwisit, no, na seloso siya kasi hindi naman too much. It's like that, no, sometimes there are things, no, na because nagsiselos siya, no, kapag pinipigilan niya naman yun, no, kaya lang sometimes, no, kapag ka hindi na mapigilan yung selos na yun, this person, you make me want to do bad things. Yun na nga yung parang mag-i-interrupt siya or parang magtatanong siya sa'yo, nakita ko yung post mo, tapos group picture kayo dun. Pero parang ngayon ko lang nakita yung katabi mo. Okay, OJT namin yun, ganito. But parang, gano'n nakatagal yun dun. Parang masyado naman ata kayong close. Kasi ako yung nagtuturo sa kanya rito, no? And then, nagtatanong pa siya ng iba. Ganun ba? O tapos, 3 days pa lang, pero makadikit naman sa'yo rito. Parang, nagsiselos ka ba? Bata lang yun, OJT nga, di ba? Tsaka ano ka ba, yan, no? Alam mo yung ganun ka, no? Kasi ikaw, mga babes, no? Alam mo sa sarili mo rito, no? Na, kilala mo yung sarili mo. At hindi ka basta-basta mapupol sa kung sino-sino lang. Okay? So, hindi rin agad-agad 2 days, no? Tapos, napol ka na. So, it's just, you know, hindi ka nagiging defensive, but you're being honest, no? Nagiging clear ka kasi alam mo na jealous type of person yung kakonek mo, yung person mo, no? So whatever the case may be, I find it cute actually, no, when this person gets jealous, no, hindi yung gulo na may suntukan or away, walang ganun, no. I find this person na pag nagsiselos siya, itong mga bad things na tinutukoy niya rito ay somehow nagti-turn into cute jealousness. Yung kagaya ng binigyan ko ng example kanina, 'di ba? Yung parang kunwari, let's just say, no, lunch time, no? Kumain na kayo and then merong coffee shop no right beside the office and then tatlo kayong nandoon, no? Tapos umorder yun, treat ko na. Okay, sige, kasi first day ko naman ngayon sa trabaho, yan, no? Ikaw at saka tong person on your mind mo, plus yung person na yun, no, na pagseselosan niya, umorder ng tatlo rito, no, na sabihin na natin na iced coffee na iba-iba yung mga pangalan ng coffee na yun, no? And then, mga babes, no, kapag hindi niya napigilan yung selos niya, sasabihin niya, ay, na to, ito talaga yung gusto ko, yung gano'n. Kukunin niya yung drinks mo, kasi di ba ayaw mo na itong flavor na to, ako na to. Yan, no, kahit meron naman yung kanya, no? Kasi nakita mong inabot nakita niyang inabot sa'yo, baby. Nagselo siya. Okay? Tapos, alam mo yung mga little things somehow na cute, yung parang iuurong niya yung upuan mo kasi you're too close dun sa tao na yun, no? Iluurong niya palayo dun sa upuan ng person na yun. Yung mga ganon. Little things that you find cute. Yan, no? Alright. Alright, no? So, your person views you as this, mga babes set B, no? I also find it cute, actually. Alright, no? So, collective, these are all I have for you, mga babes. Thank you so much for always staying here in this channel, like from the bottom of my heart space. I love you all, guys. Sarang heyo, love and light. Bye, guys!